Hi everyone, let's look at our assignments this week. For English 1A, you have a discussion board that's asking you to describe what a good summary means and also to write a summary about neuroplasticity. So to help you get started on this assignment, let's look at the connected assignment in English 149, which uses summarizing and determining importance to help you with this. These are also active reading strategies. And the reason active reading strategies are so important is they are skills that highly effective readers use. They help them build critical thinking skills, they help them retain information longer after they read it, and so these are important ways to look at a text. So to start out, you're going to be looking at a portion of the They Say, I Say reading and describing what a good summary requires. Let me also read you a definition of summarizing. Readers reduce larger texts to focus on important elements by identifying key points and condensing important information into their own words. So when you're looking at a text, you want to think about what main idea the author's trying to get across, and you're going to convey that when you summarize his writing. One good way to do this is to play the believing game. So the text is going to talk about this. This is about inhabiting the mind of the author and thinking about that main idea he's trying to get across and representing it in a fair way. If you don't represent it in a fair way, there's going to be consequences, and the text will talk about that as well. So once you describe what a good summary means, I would like you to read this portion of The Happiness Advantage and think about what the author's purpose is here. Now, when you're determining importance of a reading, it's always good to think about what the author's purpose is, because that can help you decide which ideas that author's trying to get across. And then next, you can determine 2 important points from the reading based on what you think that main idea is. I'd also like you to include in-text citation with the page number with those quotes that you pull from there. And there's a resource here on how to do that, as well as a video that talks about in-text citation if you need a reminder. After you've written those 2 key points down, I'd like you to summarize the message you think the author's trying to get across from that section of reading. So all of these things will help prepare you for the discussion board. Note that this summary is based on the section about neuroplasticity, and this means the idea that the brain is malleable. So this summary that you write here can also be used for the discussion board in English 1A because it's based around the same question. So I hope this helps you, and again, if you have any questions, always feel free to ask me.